Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of constantly cleaning your floors, pet hair, and dust manually, then a smart robot vacuum can completely change your daily routine. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2026, featuring powerful suction, advanced AI navigation, self-emptying systems, and smart mopping technology. We'll cover the features, cleaning performance, pros and cons, and help you choose the best robot vacuum for your home. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Dreame X50 Ultra White. This premium robot vacuum delivers an incredible 20,000 PA suction power, making it perfect for deep cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, and pet hair. It also includes automatic mop washing, self-cleaning, and auto-emptying features, giving you a nearly hands-free cleaning experience. The advanced 360-degree navigation and intelligent obstacle avoidance help it move smoothly around furniture, cables, and tight spaces. One standout feature is the corner-to-edge cleaning system, which improves cleaning performance in difficult areas most robot vacuums miss. Pros: extremely powerful 20,000 PA suction, self-emptying and self-cleaning system, excellent obstacle avoidance technology, great edge and corner cleaning performance. If you want one of the smartest and most powerful robot vacuums on the market, the Dreame X50 Ultra White is an outstanding choice. Number 2. Roborock Qrevo Edge 2. This model offers a massive 25,000 PA suction power, along with AI object recognition and advanced edge cleaning technology. Its ultra-slim design allows it to clean under beds, sofas, and furniture more easily than larger competitors. The hot water mop washing and automatic drying system help keep the mop cleaner and reduce odors. Its zero-tangle brush system also makes it ideal for pet owners dealing with long hair and fur. Pros: incredible 25,000 PA suction, AI obstacle and object recognition, excellent for pet hair, ultra-slim design reaches tight spaces. The Roborock Qrevo Edge 2 is an excellent premium robot vacuum for pet owners and users who want advanced smart cleaning features. Number 3. Roborock Q7 M5 Plus. This robot vacuum delivers 10,000 PA suction and includes both vacuuming and mopping functionality. The self-emptying dock can store dust for up to 7 to 9 weeks, reducing maintenance significantly. It also features dual anti-tangle technology, making it great for homes with pets and carpets. The pre-sense LiDAR navigation system creates accurate maps for efficient cleaning routes and improved room coverage. Pros: strong 10,000 PA suction, long-lasting self-empty dock, great navigation and mapping, excellent value for money. If you want reliable smart cleaning without spending flagship-level money, the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus is a fantastic option. Number 4. Dreame X50 Ultra. This model offers the same impressive 20,000 PA suction power, advanced obstacle avoidance, self-emptying dock, and self-cleaning mop system found in the White Edition. It performs exceptionally well on both carpets and hard floors while intelligently navigating around furniture and obstacles. The detangling brush design is especially useful for reducing hair buildup, making maintenance much easier. Pros: excellent suction performance, smart navigation and obstacle detection, self-cleaning and self-emptying features, great for homes with pets. The Dreame X50 Ultra is a premium cleaning solution that delivers powerful automated cleaning with minimal user effort. Number 5. Dreame X60 Ultra Complete. This upgraded model features an unbelievable 35,000 PA suction power along with self-emptying, self-refilling, mop self-cleaning, and advanced obstacle avoidance technology. Its ultra-thin design helps it clean under furniture more efficiently, while the upgraded AI system can recognize and avoid over 280 different obstacles. The cleaning performance is outstanding for large homes, pet hair, and deep carpet cleaning. Pros: massive 35,000 PA suction, advanced AI obstacle avoidance, fully automated cleaning system, ultra-thin premium design. If you want the absolute latest robot vacuum technology with maximum cleaning power and automation, the Dreame X60 Ultra Complete is an incredible high-end option. So, that was our list of the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and buying guides. And let us know in the comments which robot vacuum would you choose for your home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.